In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oanda News Feed. The Oanda News Feed is your built-in stream of market intelligence, curated by Oanda analysts to help you understand what's moving prices and why. It brings together timely market updates, economic news, technical analysis, and daily reports like morning briefings or commodity roundups. Think of it as a quick, professional overview of the themes shaping the trading day, designed to save you time and sharpen your focus. To access it on the web platform, log in to your Oanda account and head to the dashboard or the overview page. Look for the news section. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the sidebar or right on the main dashboard. Once you see it, you're ready to start using it as part of your routine. Begin each session by reading the daily reports. The morning reports and market outlook pieces are especially useful because they lay out the broader market trend and what to expect today. They highlight key themes, potential drivers, and the tone across major assets. Take note of the instruments or sectors mentioned and use that as your starting point for where to pay attention. Before you place any trade, make it a habit to scan the headlines. Focus on interest rate updates, inflation data such as CPI, and central bank announcements like those from the Federal Reserve. These items can move markets quickly, so a quick headline check can help you avoid being surprised. Glance at timestamps to understand whether something is breaking or already absorbed by the market, and keep an eye on related instruments that might react first. Use the feed to spark trade ideas. For example, if the news indicates the USD is strengthening, that often pressures dollar-priced commodities and supports USD pairs. In that scenario, you might consider selling gold, labeled XAU USD, or looking for buying opportunities in USD crosses. Treat the feed as an idea generator that narrows your focus to where momentum and catalysts align. Always combine news with charts. Don't trade news alone. Confirm what you read with technicals like support and resistance levels and overall trend direction. If the feed suggests a bullish USD bias, check whether your charts show a clear trend or a key level being respected. Let the chart give you an entry and exit framework, and let the news provide the context for why the move could continue. To recap, access the news section from your dashboard. Start with the daily reports, scan headlines before trading, use the insights to form ideas, and confirm everything on the charts. Done consistently, the Oanda News Feed becomes a practical edge in your trading routine.